In response to MP Westcott's questions, are we meeting, were the concerns raised by meeting with the residents? Yes, we've had numerous meetings where these concerns were raised, and it is also visible to us as the council, besides what we hear from within the community. And what we have placed here on slides, I kept it to what was here, but of course there's more. And if we really need to go in depth, we could be here for another week. But those for me was the most important points that I pulled out that is being discussed within the district at the moment. You mentioned, MP, the AVRC funding. I am not familiar with that, so maybe that could be elaborated on some. And if I'm not familiar with it, then which means that we don't get it. The next question was asked, did we have meetings with government? I first have to put for Minister Duran, who is the now Minister of Vromi. We did not have a meeting with him, but we have had meetings prior with, I think, just about every Vromi minister that has sat behind that desk with no positive outcomes. It was a meeting. That's what it was. You know, we were heard. We were given the opportunity to speak. We had at times really, I would call it, expressive discussions. We had at one point where the zoning was being implemented and we had our concerns that we had the then Minister of Romi come to our town hall meetings in K-Bay. There too, the issues were discussed. I remember way back in 2010 or 2009, when we initially was putting our council together. I remember you, MP Westcott, being present at those meetings. And even then, we were discussing issues that was plaguing K-Bay at that time. So this is not a 2022 issue. This is an issue that goes way back. So we have been talking and talking and talking, and there haven't been any action. I am grateful for this committee where we're able to bring it to the floor of Parliament with the hope that something would transpire after this meeting that would be positive for K-Bay.